David,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Okay. Yes, my
I
friends.
need you to get me a cold bottle of Team Soda.
Team Soda.
Yes.
My prince, I think there are more Team
And you
Soda.
think I didn't check before asking you to buy it? My friend, will you take this money now and buy me Team Soda?
It's okay, let me go and get the car keys.
Wonder shall never end. You want to ride in the royal car to buy ordinary Team Soda? I see you've lost some screws upstairs. What are you still doing there?
Okay.
My friend, go and get me Team Soda.
Guys, run.
Good afternoon, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please just stick around. He'll be back soon.
No, my prince, I'm already on.
I insist.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.